Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This video lecture is for 5th grade students and the topic of this video lecture is percentage profit and loss. Students, this is chapter number 9 of your mathematics textbook. So let's start with introduction. Let's first understand what does the term percent or what does the word percent means. The word percent comes from a Latin word percentum which means out of 100. तो ये जो वर्ड परसेंट है ये लेटिन वर्ड से डिराइव किया गया है जो कि लेटिन वर्ड क्या है परसेंटम. इस परसेंटम से डिराइव किया गया है ये परसेंट और इस परसेंटम का मतलब क्या होता है आउट ऑफ 100. दैट मीन्स 100 में से. बाय अ सर्टेन परसेंट वी मीन दैट मेनी हंड्रेड्स. इसका क्या मतलब है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके पास है 10%. दिस 10% एक्चुअली मीन्स 10 hundreds. It's actually 10 by 100. Similarly, if you have suppose 58%, it's actually 58 hundredths. 58 hundredths or we can say 58 by 100. Clear? Now, percentage is used in day-to-day life as it makes easier to compare the numbers. तो परसेंटेज क्यों हम इस्तेमाल ये क्यों हम यूज करते हैं बिकॉज इससे नंबर्स को कंपेयर कर पाना फर्क कर पाना नंबर्स के बीच में ये आसान हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हमारे पास एक स्टूडेंट है उसने इंग्लिश में सपोज इंग्लिश में उसको मिले हैं 80% मार्क्स. मैथ्स में ही गॉट सपोज 95% एंड देन सपोज इन SST he got 45%. So by just looking at this percentage, we can easily compare that 95% is greater. So we can easily say that student is good in mathematics. Clear? It's also used to compare other numbers, not only just marks, just the result, but in other spheres of life. Like if we have to compare the discount. सपोज एक शॉपकीपर है जो आपको दे रहा है डिस्काउंट 20%. ही सेज आपको यहाँ पे 20% डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है एंड अनदर वन सेज यहाँ पे जी 25% है. सो यू विल प्रेफर कि आप उस शॉपकीपर के पास जाएंगे जो 25% डिस्काउंट दे रहा है. सो कहने का मतलब ये है कि परसेंटेज से क्या होता है हम कंपेयर करना हमारे लिए आसान हो जाता है. क्लियर? Now we'll see how to convert a percentage into fraction. To convert a certain percent into a fraction, we remove the percent symbol and divide the number by 100. Suppose you have 50% and you have to convert it into fractions. So क्या करना होता है हमें? We'll write this 50 and remove this percent. ये percent जो है ये हम नहीं लिखेंगे. इसके बदले क्या करना होता है? We have to divide this number by 100. So 50% is actually 50 by 100. Or if you have suppose 45%. So if we have to convert this 45% into fractions, we'll remove this percent sign and divide this number by 100. So we'll get 45 by 100. Clear? Similarly, if you have suppose 1 by 4%. So this 1 by 4, this is mixed. So we'll first convert it. 3 into 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So it's actually 13 by 4%. So now we have to remove this percent sign and divide this number by 100. So 13 by 4, we'll write this as it is. But this percent sign will not write it. We'll remove it and we'll divide this number by 100. Clear? Now what we will do after this is it's 13 by 4 and if we have to divide this we'll convert this division into multiplication sign and this it is actually 100 by 1. So we can after converting this division sign into multiplication sign this 100 by 1 will change into its reciprocal that is 1 by 100. So what we'll get is 13 multiplied by 1 is 13 and multiplied by 100 is 400. So 1 by 4% is actually 13 by 400. Clear? Now let's convert 225% into fraction. So again, we'll write this 2 to 5. We'll remove this percent sign and divide this number by 100. So this 225% is 225 by 100. But remember, always write the fraction in the lowest form. जो fraction है उसको हमेशा lowest, simplest form में लिखना चाहिए. It means इसकी cancellation अगर possible है तो हमें करनी है. So we can here do 5 2 are 10, 5 0 are 0, 5 4 are 20. Then we'll be left with 2. जो 2 इसके साथ जाएगा, it will be 25, and 5 5 are 25. So what we got is 45 by 20. We can do further cancellation. 5 4 are 20, 5 9 are 45. Now we got 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 की further cancellation possible नहीं है. So it means 225% is equal to 9 by 4. Clear? So we converted this percentage into fraction. Now let's learn how to convert a fraction into percentage. Let's first see how to convert fractions with denominator 100. Say suppose you have 26 by 100. This is a fraction having denominator 100. To convert such fractions with denominator 100, to convert these fractions into percentage, we just remove this 100 from the denominator and write the percent sign. So यहाँ पे 26 by 100 को अगर हमें percentage में convert करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम ये 100 नहीं लिखेंगे. We will remove this 100. We'll simply write 26%. But remember, ऐसा तब करना है जब denominator में 100 होगा. Clear? If we do not have 100 as denominator, then we can't do this. We can't simply write the percent sign. Now let's suppose we have 85 by 100. Again, to convert this 85 by 100 into percentage, we'll write 85%. Clear? Because it was also having a denominator of 100. Now we have another fraction, 18 by 25. Again, we have to convert this into percentage. Now see, this fraction is not having a denominator of 100. Here denominator is 25 and not 100. So we can't simply remove the denominator and write the percent sign. यहाँ पे हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते because हमारे पास denominator में 100 नहीं है. So what we will do is, we'll multiply this 18 by 25 into 100 and then write the percent sign. सबसे पहले इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है 100 से, उसके बाद परसेंट साइन लगा देनी है. सो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, अब विल डू कैंसलेशन. अगर ऐसे पॉसिबल है तो ऐसे करेंगे, और जस्ट लाइक दिस, इसकी और इसकी कैंसलेशन. यहाँ पे पॉसिबल इन दोनों की है. सो विल डू 5 5 आर 25, 5 2 आर 10, 5 0 आर 0. क्लियर? अगेन वी कैन डू 5 1 आर 5, 5 4 आर 20. क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट we got is 18 by 1 into 4%. Clear? Now 18 by 1 is actually 18 into 4. 18 into 4 is 4 8 are 32. Now 4 1 are 4 plus 3 is 7. So it's 72%. Clear? Now let's convert 7 by 10 into percentage. This will be 2 into 10 is 20 plus 7 is 27. So we can write 27 by 10. Now we have to convert this 27 by 10 into percentage. Again, we don't have 100 as denominator, so we'll have to multiply this 27 by 10 will be multiplied by 100, then we will write the percent sign. Clear? Now again cancellation is possible like this. 10 1 are 10, 10 10s are 100. So we got 27 by 1 is actually 27 and multiplied by 10%. Now 27 into 10 is 270%. Clear? Now students, you will solve all the parts, all the questions given in exercise 9A of your textbook. In the next video, we'll learn further concepts. Till then, Allah Hafiz.